is so ripe.
I'm your aunt.
Look at Mike. Hello!
Hello? I mean, how do I eat it? I mean, just this. I'm gonna squeeze it up. Indigenous to South America.
Typically, popularized in
Mexico? No, no.
Portuguese Brazil.
Well, it's all over South America, so
Yes, but
Kaimito, and then
it's still Kaimito in Brazil.
yeah, well,
And in Mexico.
in Mexico, yeah, it's also Kaimito, and it's become a staple. It's not really a staple. It's more of a summer tradition for children everywhere to just climb up Kaimito trees and look.
Just like what you're doing now.
Look
Both
at
of
that.
you.
Just look. This is our quarry, our harvest, our yield.
We just did this for what? How many minutes?
Fun
15
fact,
minutes.
it has a lot of latex.
Yes.
Yes. If you want to make condom, gather some.
You can make condom out of this.
Yeah, that's actually latex.
Look at that. I can. This actually.
What are you doing?
Let me do this. And let me show you another trick we did this. What are all those lapu-lapu earrings? Warriors.
What? Where's... What? From the Kaimito Lee. Oy, Magellan. Wala po.
More like Enrique de Malacca. Pulapo is not really Filipino, but rather he was a pirate who hailed from Borneo, which is a little bit true. It's because the southerners, basically in Mindanao, Zamboanga, or Tawi-Tawi, used to raid Cebu and sell the slaves to Indonesian islands or
It
Malaysia.
makes sense kay kuan man. Kanang
So-
outpost man ng Cebu, di ba?
Yes.
Sa una.
Yeah, even before the time of the Romans. I mean, even during the Roman times.
Oh yes! Boto. There's no better way to relax but to have a conversation about history. Drinking botong and getting so many... Asa man mo papa?
Hindi na kachubong sa kabila.
Kachubong? Kachubong.
Ito nga wala yung sigarilyo?
Papaon sa man ng kachubong?
Nanigarilyo mo.
How do you use this?
Para mag-hallucinate ka.
Wala mo katkatlobi mo naghanap butong mo.
A lot of South American tribes use this to test their children. Painom lang kachubong and they leave them out in the forest to hallucinate.
This is a little bit stronger than your typical labuyo. This one is a hybrid.
Anong yellow
It's called
man na siya,
malagita. It's called malagita or white lady. And then this is sabayroid. It's basically used in a lot of Malaysian and Indonesian cooking. Typically sambal.
Hindi na sad. Dami-dami natin sili, besh.
Chili is light. If you have GERD,
Pagkatang red. Dili kaya ni uy.
Isagol mo ito na sa kwanat sa puyo.
Hindi na kaya uy. 1M. Ang palikot sila.
Ginberry. It's called ginberry because it tastes like gin. It does. It has the botanicals. Tama pa yun.